Okay, so here we have a no crank, no start Dodge Grand Caravan 2011. I am going to go ahead and try start it. Here is a key fob into here, and I boot it up. I get nothing. And this is all that's on the dash. Is just this little battery light and a little blinking light. My park reverse neutral drive display does not show up at all. I'm not sure why that is. Battery is brand new. When I bypass the starter relay, the starter does start up, so it's not the starter, it's not the battery. Let me do a cluster reset. So you press the reset button. I'm gonna try to do it with the phone here. Press the reset button, and then you put in the ignition on. Alright, there we go. And with the reset, it still doesn't show up. So everything, not sure why it still doesn't show up even with the reset. Anyways, trying to solve the problem. Let me know if anybody knows the issue with this or had this issue before. Thanks.